Hello kids, welcome back. So today we'll be seeing the next half of the lesson 16, mapping the neighborhood. Okay, so we are seeing about the features of a map. So last class I was talking about the map. Now we'll be seeing the features of the map. So the basic things you need to keep in mind before you make a map is direction, one, and the landmarks. So direction, when you take, you know the four main direction: north, south, east and west. Okay, so here in the picture you are seeing the map and the direction being drawn there. So northern side, it is pointing to the top, that is the Himalayan region or Jammu Kashmir region, and the southern side is pointing towards down, it is the southern states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all. Then western side, Gujarat, and eastern side, West Bengal. And in between also you see northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. So northwest means the the states like Rajasthan and all. Northeast also you have northeastern states, the Sikkim, Meghalaya, all those states. Then you have southeast, Odisha, and southwest, Maharashtra. So accordingly, in all the maps of India, the states will be drawn in that particular region alone. So when you draw a map, it is also drawn to a scale. That means if the area is small, for example, when you see Goa, it is very small area. So in the map, the Goa region will be drawn very small. And if you take Maharashtra or Rajasthan, they are considerably bigger. So in a map, it will be represented in a bigger area. Okay, so they are drawn to a scale. So with the help of a map, you can know whether the state is bigger or smaller. So similarly, the landmarks also will tell you which is the capital, which is the state capital, which is the country's capital and all, and which is the border for your country, which is the border of your state, all those. So that we'll see in detail later. So now coming to the direction, the main direction is north, east, south, west, and these are represented in the map, and it is clearly, so we are able to clearly identify each and every stage or the places easily. Okay, with the help of this direction we can understand or we can know where these places are located easily. Okay, so the legends or the key show that the symbol in a map, what it is stand for, what it stands for. Simple, this legends mostly it is drawn towards the end of the map, that we'll see later. Okay, now coming to the colors and symbols. Okay, colors you will find in different maps, you will find being colored. Okay, here you have brown color, green or yellowish brown, then the blue color. So in all the map, blue color will represent water body, brown mountainous region, then white color on top you see, that is Jammu Kashmir region, that is snow covered mountain. Then you have the green color, it is the plain region, there mostly we don't find any mountain. So mountainous region, it is brown in color. Then this colors, the scheme of colors, it is common for all the map. In every map the water body is blue, the mountainous region is brown. So every map, whichever map you take, and if you see it is blue in color, means it is water body. It can be river, it can be lake, it can be sea, ocean, anything. Water bodies all are blue in color. So this coloring and the giving the symbols, it is for easy reading of the map. It will help us to read the map easily. Okay, and these are mostly drawn to show the desert or roads or railways, then mountains, cities, rivers and lakes also. If you take the map of a single area, then everything will be detailed, mentioned in detail. Okay, so this is about the color and symbols which we use in a map. Okay, now coming to the legend, I was telling you, legend, they will be giving you symbols and they also will tell you what this symbol represent. For example, if you see the map here on the side, you will find a small box written below, written as legend, and there you see dotted lines mentioning it is international border. Then you see a straight line mentioning state border. Then you see a small square and a circle in center, red in color. It is the country capital, and you see a small black circle or a dot, it is the state capital. So if you want to see the country capital, you have to just see where this red color square with a dot is. So if you go and search, you will find in near New Delhi, where it is written New Delhi. That is in the center of, not in the center, a little bit on top of the map you find New Delhi, where there is a square and a small dot, so in red in color. So it is representing the capital of the country. So our country, it is New Delhi. So there they have drawn this. And then each and every state, if you go, you will find a small black dot along with the name of the state. For example, if you go to Gujarat, our state, you will find a small dot there, and written above that is Gandhinagar. So Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Then if you see Madhya Pradesh, you have Bhopal. If you see Rajasthan, you have Jaipur. If you see Tamil Nadu, you have Chennai. Okay, Kerala, you have Thiruvananthapuram. There at the tip below the south, you find it, Thiruvananthapuram. Maharashtra, which is the capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. So Mumbai also you find it, where they have given a small dot and written there. Telangana, what is the capital? Hyderabad. So Hyderabad will be mentioned after that dot, a black dot. And when you see the state boundary, each color, a light bluish color they have given. So every state boundary will be bluish in color. Then when you take a boundary, international boundary, means the boundary between India and Pakistan, India and China, India and Nepal, all will be dotted lines. Okay, international borders means our country and another country. We will have dotted lines to represent that our country ends here and another country starts from there. Okay, so this is legends of keys. This also will help you to read the map easily. Now coming to scale, I told you each and every map they are mentioned, that is the scale is given, that is a character scale will be given. If it is a smaller area, then the smaller area is mentioned in your map. If it is a larger area, then the larger part is shown in the map. Okay, so the scale, it helps us to find out the size and the places, places on the map, where it is placed and what is the size of that particular region. And if you take the scale, means it will be the ratio between the two places on a map to the actual distance between the two places on ground. So if it is 2 kilometers between two, so for example your house and your school, but 2 kilometers you can't represent in a map. For that you will convert it maybe to millimeter. So 2 millimeter, so they will show it within 2 millimeter, and they will write at the side 2 millimeter is equal to 2 kilometer. So if you see 2 millimeter, you can understand that it is 2 kilometer far. So like that, it is also helping us to read the map easily. So scale also you find in each and every map to the bottom or maybe in the top side, they will be showing the scale, so that you can understand how far each places are situated or how far is two places. So with this, I think we are ending the chapter. If you have any doubt during interactive session, you can ask me. Okay, so have a nice time. Also study. Bye. Take care.